And we're back in the playground. In this video, we won't have anything to do with the canvas. We'll be taking a look at our code. To do that, click on the code button on the right top side of the playground. Since we've already built things inside our project, the code panel is now populated by code. By default, the generators are set to display our UIDL in React.js format. The UIDL, as in User Interface Definition Language, is the backbone of our generators. If you want to take a look under the hood, we've got an open source GitHub repo that I'll link to in the description. But let's get back to the code. We can change this format into many other flavors of JavaScript. We have React, Vue, Preact, Stencil, Angular, React Native, and even our own UIDL. Along with that, there are multiple ways to structure the CSS of a project. Since there's no best way of doing it, we've added all of them to let you decide which one you want. We have inline styling, CSS modules, plain CSS, styled components, styled JSX, and React JSX. What you have selected as a page or component will be shown in code format in the code panel. You can see if I select a component, I get only the code for that. Over here we have a copy button to quickly copy the code and take it somewhere else. Furthermore, we can even export this code in a zip file with the use of the export button. Let's go ahead and click it. As you can see, we have multiple choices we can pick from. After we've picked, we can continue work on our project on CodeSandbox, or we can take the project to GitHub once we set the GitHub token in our project settings under hosting. Or we can simply download a zip file of our project to our local storage by clicking on the zip file icon. Well, that's it for the code. See you in the next video where we'll go over how to publish our project with a simple click.